Iya, monggo Mas. Semen buka, Mas Rizky.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya dari perwakilan kelompok tugas ES Bahasa Inggris Hukum akan
Ka-
mempresentasikan
on cam aja, Mas.
tugas kami. Apa mas?
On cam.
Gak iso mas,
Iya.
tapi ku dion.
Oh, ngono ta. Yus, gak apa-apa wis.
Iya,
Oh. Langsung ayo berarti yo.
iya mas. Balik ini mas yo.
Balik Mas, gak apa-apa Mas. Sorry, sorry, sorry.
Oke, oke. Wes mulai mas.
Siap, langsung.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Rizky Ardiansah, NIM 13122000160 akan mepresentasikan tugas dari kelompok kami Bahasa Inggris Hukum. Monggo Mas. Halo.
Iki perkenalan namanya gantian apa ya piye, Mas?
Halo Mas.
Nama karo nim. Perkenalan dong, Mas. Gantian apa?
Oh, yo gantiane Mas yo.
Betul, betul.
Siap, Mas, siap, Mas.
Butoni paru sampean niku.
Nggih.
Iya, iya.
Balen Mas.
Balen.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya dari perwakilan kelompok Bahasa Inggris Hukum. Saya Rizky Ardiansah, NIM 13122000160.
Saya
Saya Rizal Adrian. Pripun, Mas?
Oh, iya sih sampe.
Fans saya, aku terakhir. Fans saya aku terakhir.
Oh, ngono ta.
Iya, iya, Mas, iya, Mas.
Baleni
Oke,
Mas.
oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami akan mempresentasikan tugas saya Bahasa Inggris Hukum. Saya Rizky Ardiansah, NIM 13122000160.
Saya Muhammad Ja'far Rehan Alfat dengan NIM 13122000045.
Saya Rizal Adriansa dengan NIM 13122000342.
Medical merger refers to host of central part of the Chinese part specialist. Thomas Center Badiot CBD at Traditional Mediasi for medical purpose. Medical merger is the form. Medical merger is the interest of the centration and ratio of CBD and the rest with medical merger are is the centration of CBD. The use of medical merger is the from is distributed through such as like Chamberlain, if regional are preferred by through access the perform at medical merger. As protein before are pretty of their tardiness. such as testosterone, pain, glucagonal at calories is blackberry and us are still debated in various genres. The global day is of regular marker of medical progress in every day with massive regular the further medical benefit of the plant sound. So that source are arginine, have legume substance, CBD of oil for the treatment of certain conditions. Those are placed in the unit starting others major review is variety. Several status of like used measured for measure use of cell. Sorry, those are Israel at Grammy have like used medical measure of regular of stadium is including 4 point. Global at multiple stylish. The trend is three based on the potential medical benefit of margin. First, CBD in training are regular of alias have the laguna of medical margin raise a subsidence topic with standard crash about the potential for assisting at state efficiency. The Legionnaires for major the for medical of regional purpose as professional benefit are the NATO therapy standardity on the outbreak the Legionnaires of medical margin of for medical net it to trace conditions source are the Ronified Epilis and the multiple stories legionation Chan allows for open opportunities for the margin industry, the has the professional to job or preference for the story. Over the regional of margin als race standards about the professional or upward. Addition and negative is implies the in adolescents in addition the legislation for market and late to an Easter in drug retiring at is risky of traffic at the taste. The refor the legislation for market net to the B carried out with the regulars. Ultra supervision to minimize the risky and makes the benefit.
Cannabis, long concentrated on legal drug, is now beginning to recognized as having potential medical benefits. Research show that the active compound in marijuana, such as cannabis, CBD, and THC, can help alleviate a variety of health conditions. Some of the medical benefits of marijuana that have been studied include relieving concrete pain, reducing nausea and vomiting from chemotherapy, help with anxiety and helping to calm symptoms of epilepsy. While the research into the medical benefits of marijuana continues to grow, the use of marijuana for medical purpose is still controversial and requires strict regulation to minimize the risk of abuse and the side effects. Overbalanced perspective on potential benefit and risk from balanced perspective, legalizing marijuana has potential benefit and risk that need to be careful considered. On the one hand, legalizing medical marijuana could provide access for patients who need it to treat conditions such as chronic pain, epilepsy, and multiple sclerosis. Legalizing could also open up opportunities for the for the crit for the marijuana industry that could potentially create jobs and revenue for the state. However, Bayanat also recognizes the potential for abuse, addiction, and negative health impact, especially in adolescents. Legalizing of marijuana can also lead to exploit drug-related crimes and increase the risk of traffic education. Therefore, Ba- Bayanat stressed the need for strict regulation and strict supervision to minimize risk and need risk as maximum benefit. Comparison of marijuana legalized in Indonesia and abroad. Indonesia has a very strict policy on marijuana, prohibiting it as for both medical and recreational purposes. This is based on law number 8 of the relation of the single convention and narcotic drug, which bills marijuana as a class I narcotic. In contrast, in many foreign countries, marijuana has been legalized for both medical and recreational purposes. For example, Thailand has legalized marijuana for medical purposes, while Canada and several states in the United States have legalized marijuana for recreational purposes. Their defense in poly reflects differing views on the potential benefits and risks for marijuana, as well as the influence of social, cultural, and politic factors.
Strong regulatory legal framework, the importance of licensing and supervision for security and safety. A strong regulatory legal framework include strict licensing and supervision is an important pillar for maintaining public security and safety. Clear and clear and structured rules profit goods lanes for individual and organization in carrying out their activity. Thereby minimize potential violation and risk. Rigorous licensing
process ensures that potential harmful activity have been evaluated and meet established safety standard. Effective oversight allow authorities to monitor compliance with regulation, detect potential harm, and take preventive or corrective action before an incident occurs. Thus, a strong legal framework and effective licensing and oversight system are essential pillar in creating a safe and orderly environment for the entire community. Potential challenge to cannabis legalization. The legalization of cannabis, whether for medical or recreational purpose, face a number of potential challenges. One of the main challenges is the social stigma attached to cannabis, which might hinder public acceptance of legalization. In addition, there are concerns about the potential for abuse, addiction, and negative health impact, especially in adolescent. Ano- Another challenge is the need for strict regulation and an effective oversight system to minimize risk and maximize benefit. Legalization can also lead to an increase in drug-related crime and increase the risk of drug accident. Therefore, the legalization of cannabis requires careful consideration and a comprehensive strategy to address this challenge. Sekian dari presentasi dari kelompok kami. Bila ada salah kata, mohon dimaafkan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terus iki apa carane?
Nah, iku Mas, aku gak ngerti Mas.
Sik, sik. Meeting. Terus,